you guys, I'm Stacy and this is Gorgeously Aging. Thank you so much for being here with me today. You guys, today we are talking about urea and its benefits in skincare ingredients. If you are brand new to my channel, a special welcome. I do hope you'll subscribe and join the Gorgeously Aging community. And if you've been with me for a while, sending you all virtual hugs. I appreciate you spending a bit of your day with me. So urea is an incredible skincare ingredient and I want to share with you guys the benefits, what exactly it is, and where to use it in what concentrations on the body. I'll also share at the end of this video a couple of my favorite products containing urea. These are products that I have purchased a number of times and I purchase myself because they work, they are effective, and they do exactly what I want them to do. So urea is a byproduct of the liver breaking down protein. This is organically also found in healthy skin. So urea is made in a lab, it's synthesized to be compatible with the natural urea in our bodies, safe for skincare ingredients. Urea is a wonderful humectant that draws moisture from the air and deeper layers of the skin. So it keeps the skin very hydrated, which is wonderful, especially as we age. It has an important role in preserving the skin's hydration and suppleness. This also plays into skin elasticity. Urea is also great at breaking down those outer layers of skin, promoting new cell growth. This is so important. Urea does a fantastic job at moisturizing skin cells, soothing irritation in the skin, and helping with product penetration. So the regular use of urea in the appropriate concentration can help things like psoriasis, eczema, corns and calluses, and keratosis. So let's talk for a second about the concentrations of urea and what they're appropriate for. So creams up to 10% help hydrate the skin. So that is their primary role, is the hydration. It still is great for the skin exfoliation in terms of helping turn over skin cells, but at that percentage, it's really great for being a humectant on the skin. At 20 to 30%, urea reduces itching, breaks down keratin, decreases skin thickness, and improves scaly skin. And at 40%, it breaks down proteins. So this is where it would be great for really thick skin, like the heels, or maybe the elbows, or where you have some corns or calluses that just won't improve. So let me show you the two products I use regularly with urea. The first one is a 40% urea cream, and this is by Abenel. Both of the products I'm going to show you are touted as some of the best urea products. So this one also has 2% salicylic acid. I use this on my heels, which tend to always be dry and cracked. Sometimes I will use this, let it absorb, cover with some Aquaphor, and put socks on. And that really helps if you have very dry feet. Now this one I love and use regularly. The Eucerin Urea Repair is a 5% urea. This is great on the skin, face, neck, and chest. I love this because seasonally I get allergies that make me a little itchy. This helps with that itchiness, but it also is a great hydrator, and it helps with any light flaking I might have on the skin. If you guys have used any products with urea, please let me know what they are and what you thought of them down in the description box below. I love to hear about what's working for you guys, what you've liked and what you didn't like, so it can help other people make good decisions about what to purchase for their skincare. Thank you guys for spending a little bit of your day with me. I love and appreciate you all. Remember what I always say, be good to yourselves and to others. The world needs that. I'll see you in my next video.